Yeah, Rowdy, let's hear from you.
Yeah, I'm here, right? Hello.
Yeah, go on. Yeah.
Yeah. Good evening, everyone from here.
Yeah,
Hello.
you were putting your hand up to say something, so carry on.
I think I'm in the program now. I don't know if you are hearing me.
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay. Thank you very much. You see, one man, I'll have to start like this because for some days now, I've been watching the program. I've never tried to come into the program because I try to, understand some kind of character or system or behavior that is taking place in the program. Because actually, I don't know the actual purpose of this program.
Sorry, Rowley. If you are going to make a complaint, then you have to leave that to later. Maybe if we're
No,
an hour in, because we're in the middle of a very hot.
Excuse me, I know it's your platform. That's why I don't like calling.
Okay, all right, okay.
I like listening, but
it's a bit too early into it for us to start doing the Biafra thing.
Can you learn to listen to somebody for a minute?
Okay, go.
Can you learn that for a minute? Because you always want people to listen to you. That's why I always listen to this book. I don't like calling because it's like a childish program. You understand me? Because a lot of people come here to contribute their ideas.
Okay, if it's childish, then what are you doing on it?
I know it's your program. You can decide to cut back.
Have you come here for a quarrel? Is that what it is? Have you come? You've come to quarrel.
You have to coordinate your system so that it will be more matured. Other people are organizing.
I'm going to have to let you go in a minute, because
this is a problem. You don't allow people to talk.
Okay, talk then.
You don't allow people to talk. Can you allow somebody for just 1 minute? It's not expensive.
Okay, just carry on, please, Rowley. Because
your character. Sometimes I need to ask you this question: what is the main purpose of your platform? Because just listen to me for 1 minute before you answer my question. Why I'm asking this is this: you see, you go out of the program and you go to smoke, and when you come back to the program, you start talking somehow. Always stay in the program as the presenter of this program. You go out of the program, you go to smoke, or you finish smoking, you come back to the program. That smoke is disturbing your brain. You understand me, my brother? You are not talking to children here. I just want to address you today. I keep watching. Sometimes you come out in the afternoon, you try blah blah blah. You want people to come to your program. People don't.
What is underpinning this? What is the main point? What's your gripe? No, just calm down. Calm down. I'm giving you. Calm down.
Listen, I'm angry. You know I'm angry with you. Is this? If
Rowley, I've muted you a little bit. I'll bring you back on, but calmly, just express yourself. Just calmly. Yeah, just calmly express. Don't talk because nobody can hear you. So I'll bring you back on now. So just calmly state your gripe so that we can move on. All right, I'll bring you back now.
Let me calm down and listen to me now. I will calm down and listen to me. I will calm down and listen to me. I think we are together now.
Carry on.
Okay, I want to ask my first question. My first question is this: what is the major purpose of your platform? Is it to promote Nigeria or to promote Ododuwa, which you are an Ododuwa person, or where are you standing? And
it's for political.
This is
you ask the question.
1 minute. 1 minute.
Do you want me to answer?
You cannot give me 60 seconds. You see you are a very greedy person. That's the only thing I've learned about you.
Did you not ask a question?
You are somehow.
Did you ask a question?
5,000 naira, and you go and collect the voter's card, and you vote for the wrong person just because you want to your selfish interest. You understand me? I have a lot of things to say, but because you don't want to listen to me, that's why I'm putting out this words for you. Because you don't let people come to your platform, you keep them on hold for like 1 hour. They don't talk and they want everything to go on, but you can only talk to somebody for just 1 minute. It's so bad.
Did you not ask me a question? Did you not ask me a question?
I know you cannot even answer my question. I don't need to ask you any question.
Okay,
the only question I'll put to you is just one question. What is the main purpose of your platform? Because why I'm asking this question is this: people open Instagram, they open other platforms, they say follow me. Before you follow somebody, where are you following that person to? That's what I'm asking this question. This is your platform that we are contributing or listening to your platform. Where are we really following you to? Are we following you to Ododuwa, or are we following you to Brafa?
Can I answer, or you've got the answer already? Do you want me to answer?
No, I want you to tell us.
You don't want me to answer? Okay.
I ask the question. You have to answer us.
Oh, then you have to allow me. Okay.
Yes, I will allow you to.
Okay. I set up the platform as a political discussion space focusing on Nigerian politics. So that is the answer to your question.
I agree with you. Focusing on Nigeria politics, like the way NTA function, or the way channel television function, or the way BBC function, or which is your stand? Because we have, excuse me, allow me please, just allow me, let us play ourselves. Because when we gather together, we should have a reason. It's like when people, you know, in Nigeria, people go to the bank in the morning, like First Bank. You see people standing in the bank when the bank is not.
Please now, Rowley, just make the point.
Excuse me, just listen to me. When the bank is not open, you see a lot of people, they are standing.
Forget the bank, just make the point.
It's your problem. You don't listen to learn. You always want people to learn from you, but you don't learn from people. That is your problem. You understand? Just listen to me. When you are standing, you see a lot of people standing in front of the bank in the morning, and the bank is not open. At the time the bank is open, they will now ask a question: where is the queue? And you see a lot of people standing. So people will tell you, this is the line. You see the person that has been discussing with somebody on the line, he will say, oh, I don't understand that here be the line, oh. And that person has to go to the back because he doesn't know where he belongs to. He's just in the midst of people, but he don't know what is happening in the midst of the people. You understand? We are not all fools. You don't come to this place and start presenting program because you want a monetization, or maybe somebody is sponsoring you to come and start broadcasting something else. I'm not trying to condemn you, but you have to direct your message. Let us know what you stand for. Today you argue about this, tomorrow you talk about this, today you condemn Nnamdi Kanu, tomorrow you say you want to do
I've already told you.
Excuse me, listen to me. You want to do Republic, but you are not showing any interest. You are not fighting to get to the Republic, but you want to get to the Republic in a platform of gold. Who is going to present it to you? But you are sitting in your comfort home.
I don't want that.
Where is your position? That is my anger. And that's what I don't understand about your program. I'm not really angry about it. Because you come out sometimes.
Do you want me to tell you what you want me to what you did? Do you want me to answer?
You what I want to hear. You need to tell the people what they need to hear, not me. I'm just an individual. We are fighting for the people.
Yeah, well, you have to let me to speak.
I'm contented with myself. If you talk about me, I'm contented with myself. I'm
that's fine. I'm happy for you.
You understand me? So if we start talking about maybe opening a platform with the present condition of Nigeria today, and people are opening a platform to promote or to agitate or to bring out the voice of the people. So we should know where we stand. We cannot come out every day, spend 4 hours in a platform, people argue here and there, people insult themselves. So people come out and say,
well, 20 minutes of that 4 hours has been taken up by you now.
That's what they're agitating. So people come 20 minutes of, but you as the presenter,
you know you are holding us up. You know you are holding us all up, Rowley.
No,
I want you to have your voice, but you are holding us up.
Excuse me, my friend. Excuse me. Don't take me for the fool. I've been talking. Am I making a point, or I'm just talking? You should respond to me. I don't just push me out like a kid, man.
No, you have to allow me to respond. Okay, okay.
Like a kid. You should respond to me
to respond. Okay.
You don't understand me by telling me that people are listening to what we have been saying. They should be listening because we're on a platform. You should respond to what I'm saying. That's the most important thing.
You have to allow me to. You're asking me to respond, and now you're not allowing me.
I'm listening to you now. Go on, right, brother.
Can I respond?
I'm quiet.
Okay. Okay, you asked what I set the platform up for, and I already answered that. I set it up as a space for Nigerians, hopefully high-functioning Nigerians, to come and converge and discuss the politics about of the space that we call our country, at least for the moment. You asked me what my hold on. You've asked me questions. Okay.
Excuse me.
If you don't let me answer, then what is the point? What are we doing here?
If this is your problem, you don't allow people. When I say excuse me, you should excuse me, please.
Okay, carry on.
In language,
this won't carry on for too long, but carry on.
No, this is you talk too much. Listen to somebody.
Carry on.
Oga, that your expression is too grammatical. Can you break it down for the common man in the street of Nigeria, please? Break it down for us, please.
Okay.
Yes.
I set the thing up to talk about Nigeria matter. I set the platform up to talk about Nigeria matter.
That's just your answer. So Nigeria on which part of the matter, how it they affect our people when you didn't set the platform up. Most people in English now, bros.
Everything will affect Nigerian person. Now they talk from pastor to show business to politics to Yoruba to Igbo to Hausa to the price of Gari. Now everything we they talk.
Okay, Oga, this platform you open so now, how our grandmama go to no say problem in Nigeria? Because if we dey support people like Tinubu, where they talk yesterday, saying that Tinubu now supposed to be when Tinubu come, just listen to me. Oh, when Tinubu come, people not go agitate again like he go them. They go stop agitation. They go come listen to Tinubu because Tinubu will become he don't come like that's Yoruba people go benefit. That, but if Yoruba will not benefit again,
Rowley, hold on. I've given you enough time, but you're not.
Yeah, make we talk like mature people. I don't say they cut people come over your program. If you like, cut me come out. I don't mind.
I know they cut you come out because if you want talk, may you talk. But I know they understand what you they talk. Now be the thing.
Because you know why? You know why you know if you understand me. Now this grammar. Now they speak. Now make
me say if I get street now. If you want to talk street, we talk street now.
If they talk, I will listen to you. If I they talk, you know they listen to me. If they talk, if they talk nonsense, give them 1 minute. If you say that nonsense,
okay. May I talk now? Then may I talk now?
Little time to talk.
Okay.
You understand me?
Make I talk first. Then I will allow you to talk. Waiting. I'm going to give you 2 minutes, Rowley. So as I give you the 2 minutes, so I want to make you talk the cocoa of the matter where they vex you. Just the cocoa of it. Though. No run around the yard though. Just go to the cocoa of the matter. And when you talk then you go give me time, make I respond, and we have to finish this quickly. So to the point.
See, I get watch for you. Inside my 2 minutes, I go ask you question. Me and you go use my 2 minutes together. And you go the fast answer my question as I talk to you now. I don't want me to give me extra time.
30 seconds don't come out though.
My time. Give me my 2 minutes. Don't follow me, dragon. I beg you. You say, I ask you just, I say, why be the purpose of this your program? You don't have to talk about Nigeria matter. I ask you, say, you know, say I don't come out again for the program. I want to go smoke Igbo. After now, you come back to the program. You ask, say, what you now talk? You say, this is not Kolo people. When also people waiting, people don't give money, they'll come and they talk nonsense. My brother, the pain so we did for Nigeria, whether you did the program or not, after you go watch, I don't say you watch your program after you don't listen, because if not, you want to see your fuck up. The pain so we did for Nigeria, not for one person to come out today, tell her the picture, say, because we did our comfort zone. Everybody is there for Europe, you did America, we did anywhere you did. We know that if you send 50 euro or 100 euro, go Nigeria, now big money, people in Nigeria will be happy. And that thing for you, we need not change. We don't take that because we did our comfort zone. More they pretend like say where helicopter they fly, they shoot gun. Say not be people there for there. You understand me? So you know what they do like say because say we don't get that small chance to come out. Even though they wear one t-shirt for 1 month, we're gonna pretend say we will be big guys because we sell 100 euro go out. My brother, people there for Nigeria they suffer. This is your platform. Make we know where you stand. If not the promoter to do what, if not to promote Biafra, if not to promote Nigeria, we will know where we stand. Not be say follow me, subscribe. We don't know who they subscribe to. There's no fool that they carry us follow body. We don't know where they carry us they go. Now we take on go and inside cattle ranch where they don't even want form. Tomorrow we go talk go here, we'll talk go here. Men go gather, so go come to talk go here. I just look the program, man. Sometimes I know they like to talk. I they watch it many times. I they watch it for the complete 4 hours. I know they contribute. I just they look the characters and everything. Try to learn something. At the end of the day, I know they read they see one targetable thing. You got one of your friends who mouth be like a bolo, a mic. Now go call you, go talk, all those boys take a native emergency. They do their mouth when they did normal, when being bedside. When they come become normal, maybe their parents get more money. All those people, if I be teacher 1980, 1990, we still get more money. Compared to the people they today.
Okay now, Rowley. I don't give you. No, hold on. Be reasonable. I'm going to insist that I've muted you. Be reasonable because I've given you enough time to talk. So now you listen. I've already told you that the reasons why I set up the platform is not anything more discerning than that, a space for Nigerians to discuss politics. That's the one thing. And the other thing is, I have no objection to smoking Igbo. It is not illegal to smoke Igbo. But what I do smoke is a vape. This is it. It's a vape. Look at it now. I'll show you how it works. You see it? It's a vape. I used to smoke a lot of cigarette. I am trying to give it up, and this is the tool that I am using to give it up. So nothing wrong with smoking Igbo. Anybody that wants to smoke Igbo can go ahead and do that. But I just happen not to smoke it. I used to be a cigarette smoker, but I am not anymore. My politics is for the people. It is not for Odudua. It is not for Biafra. It is not for anything other than to speak to the way that the common man on the street is being disadvantaged. So I think I've covered everything you've asked me, and I think I've given you enough time.
Excuse me, Mr. One Man. If you are responding to me, you are not supposed to mute me.
Because you are shouting over me.
No, if you want to talk to me, I'll keep quiet. I'm an adult.
But I've asked you to keep quiet countless times now. You just
you left the program. You left the program.
Okay, I think we're done with this. And anybody watching this will agree that I have been reasonable with you, and even you would agree that I have been reasonable with you. Thank you, Rowley. So to the point, who you help? I was with you. So just let's just speak to the politics of it and just abandon that completely. So carry on. That was traumatizing, wasn't it? I feel beaten up. I feel like I could go take a shower or something and start all over again.
Praise God, praise God, praise God.
Oh, but carry on. Huh?
Ovie, I can see you rolling your head.
I understand passion, but I couldn't really understand what he was trying to get through to me, because I'm not going to labor it too much.
Yeah, I think
So that has been the session. I was hoping that this was going to be a full-blown, because this is a momentous moment in time for me within the Nigerian space, with this meeting coming out and these political heavyweights taking these positions that they have taken. A lot to discuss within what's just happened today, because I see it as a paradigm shift in the status quo. And I wanted to discuss that robustly with the people who usually congregate here. A moment in time, and I was hoping really for a full-on debate, and a lot of the things that people have said, I wanted to press them on. But that guy that came in just now, he has put me off a little bit, and I'm just minded to end the session here. It wasn't anything that he particularly said, because he did not really say anything that I understood. It was just the screeching and the squealing of the voice. It irritated me somewhat, because I didn't really hear anything that he said apart from what is the program about, and I told him that. But he just went on screeching and squealing and screeching and squealing and screeching and squealing. So that, I have the headphones, so it's just the screeching and the squealing is giving me a bit of a headache, and it's put me off my mood a bit. I'm ready to take on anyone in an argument. You see me do it severally every single day. So I'm ready to take on anyone in an argument, but just a screeching and squealing, it's just unbearable. So it's just put me off, and it's giving me a bit of a headache. So I'm just going to round it off here, because I shouldn't really have to tolerate that. Is just, when I set up this platform just to address that point, I was setting it up with the hope of meeting high-functioning people to discuss the nuances of very important matters. And this is what happened in often instances on this platform. But there are certain elements, it's just a toxic, little annoyance that they come here just to, and they are really from the IPOP quarters. It's usually because that's their level of their intelligence, very low level sort of people. And you see that repeat. You see it with Freeman somewhat, who's changed. You see it with Morris all the time. And now this new element now just came to screech and squeal. If you wanted to argue